Hello students of class 10. In this video, I will solve the MCQ worksheet. So, with this video, you will get the PDF attached where I have given 60 MCQs from the syllabus of second unit test. And now first you should know the syllabus. The syllabus of second unit test include hydrosphere, waste management and India from soil to agriculture plus map pointing, means from soil to agriculture you will get the map pointing. Your exam is on 22nd August. Yes, 22nd August your geography exam. You have to give the exam and class test copy. Okay. Now I am discussing the MCQs. First, hydrosphere. The main cause of formation of ocean current is planetary wind. Number 2, the tidal bore is occurred in rainy season. Number 3, Peru current is seen in Atlantic Ocean. Number 4, the time difference between an ebb and a tide is 6 hours 13 minutes. A cold current of Atlantic Ocean is Labrador current. Number 6, the speed of Gulf Stream current is 9 km. Number 7, the warm current along the coast of Japan is Kuroshio current. Number 8, cold current is found in Atlantic Ocean. Number 9, tidal bore occurs antipodal to primary tide occurs secondary tide. Tidal bore occurs in Hooghly River. Number 10 is Hooghly River. Number 11, how many times in a day high tide occur in a place? Twice. One primary tide, high tide, and one is secondary high tide. Next, number 13, which of the following current flows along the eastern coast of Madagascar? Answer is Madagascar current. Number 14, which current flows along the western coast of Madagascar? Is Mozambique current. Number 15, Gulf Stream appears deep blue in color. Number 16, the eastern coast of Japan remain warm even in winter due to Kuroshio current. Now number 17, dense fog occurs near Newfoundland due to meeting of warm Gulf Stream current and cold Labrador Kuroshio current. Next, the linear position of sun, moon and the earth is called syzygy. The area of total surface covered by water is nearly 71%. Which two currents combine to form Agulhas current? Mozambique current and Madagascar current. Now next chapter is waste management. Fly ash comes from thermal power plant. Gaseous waste causes asthma. Which is the most polluted city of India? New Delhi. Fly ash is used to make bricks. An example of medical waste is injection syringes. Decomposition of waste by landfill takes completed about 4 to 6 months. The most common way to manage solid waste in rural area is manure pit. A used CFL bulb is what type of waste? It is a toxic waste. Kolkata produce about how many kgs of waste per day? 6.6 kg per day per head. The process of liquid waste management is drainage. Open dumping of waste cause air pollution. Okay. or you can write both air and water pollution. Which is the most popular method of solid waste management? Sanitary landfilling. One waterborne disease is diarrhea. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd October 2014. What kind of bacteria is used for composting? Anaerobic bacteria. Name of fuel gas produced from human and animal waste. It is biogas. DDT is a toxic waste. Number 39. Things that does not produce waste. Solar power generating station. Name of a green waste. Green waste means wood chips. Green waste. Next, India, that is from soil to agriculture. The old alluvial soil of the northern plain of India is called Bhangar. Podzol soil is found in coniferous forest region. Maximum forest area is found in Madhya Pradesh. A common species of mountain vegetation is rhododendron. The largest mangrove forest of India lies in Gangetic Delta. The growing of trees along the agricultural crops in barren land is known as agroforestry. The term Green Revolution was first used by Dr. Norman Borlaug. Bollweevil feeds on which type of crop? It is feed on cotton. It is a worm, insect. Next, 49. The Tea Research Institute of India is located at Jorhat in Assam. Which Indian state is a leading producer of rice in terms of per hectare yield? Answer is Punjab. Shifting cultivation in India is known as jhum. Okay. A cotton is a fiber crop. Sandalwood grows in coniferous forest. It is necessary to have at least 33% forest cover on land. The Soil Research Institute of India is located at Jaipur. The main cause of gully erosion is surface runoff. Question number 57, surface runoff. 58, which soil contains at least amount of humus? It is desert soil. Question number 59, what is the sandy soil of deserts? Sandy soil of desert region known as? It is known as Serozem soil. And last of all, question number 60 or MCQ 60, the Forest Research Institute of India is located at Dehradun. Now listen, here I will discuss the question pattern also in this video. So what will be the question pattern for 50 marks answer? You will get, there will be 3 groups, group A, group B and group C. In group A you will get map pointing. On an outline map of India you have to do, means half into 10, that is 5 marks. In same group, group A, you will get MCQ 1 into 5, that is 5 marks. Then there will be, that is group B. Group B you will get short note and you will get means give reason. Okay. And group C you will get broad question. Broad question means 10 into 2, that is 20 marks. Okay. In 10 marks you will get part marking also. 5 plus 3 plus 2 or 4 plus 4 plus 2, you will get the part marking. Where diagram necessary, give diagram. Where examples necessary, give examples. MCQ, directly the answer. Map pointing, the map should be attached with your test copy. Okay. Thank you.